stuff.
Appreciate it, mate.
No problem.
Appreciate it. You enjoy your $10 popcorn, eh? Happy birthday.
$10?
Yeah.
Oh, yeah.
$10. Once you've got all you just fell through that again. So this is the High Roller, part of the Link Hotel. It's the big, like a London Eye. It's the big wheel that you can see all over Vegas. We're gonna go on it now, and we actually got 2 complimentary tickets because we're staying at the Link. I think you might do that in different Caesar hotels, like Caesar's Palace, the Link. So we're coming in. It does say, it says the price downstairs, which I can't remember what it was, and it also says looking to upgrade your cabin bar experience, starting at $25. Ascertain member about happy half hour. Cocktails starting at 20, so you might as well get a $25 one. Popcorn, jelly shots, not jelly shots. What's the happy half hour?
Happy hour, good deal. $45 additional. When you look at our prices, not too bad, but it is an open bar for the entirety of your rotation. So you get your own bartender. There might be a couple more people in there, but it's pretty slow right now, so it might be just you two.
Cheers, mate. Did you know what? I think I'm gonna have to get it. Easy. Do not fall down there, Michelle. Come on. You enjoy your $10 popcorn, eh? Happy birthday.
$10?
Yeah.
Oh, yeah.
$10.
We'll fling it.
Give me it back. You alright?
What is that?
Are you okay?
Yeah, I'm doing good.
Didn't have a clue what I said there.
Where are you from?
North England, mate. Middlesbrough.
Okay.
Newcastle.
Oh, cool.
Yourself?
I'm from here, born and raised.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Loves it. How do we upgrade? We want to upgrade.
You want to upgrade?
We've asked like every stop on the way, how do we upgrade? We want to upgrade. And then we're going to show you a lot. So for $25 each, you get unlimited drinks for 30 minutes. Smash at it straight away. Look at them, they've got two people to themselves. That's exactly what we want. Hopefully no one else has paid. Let's go, let's go, let's go. Hello. 20 cocktails, mate. 20 cocktails.
Alright, so these are the liquors they give me.
Yes,
Mixers
right.
are simple, juice and soda. For juice, I have pineapple, cranberry, and orange. Sour mix for margarita.
Yeah.
Pepsi, Diet Pepsi, Starry, ginger ale, club soda. And if you want beer or wine, just ask, I'll let you know what I have.
Perfect, mate. Appreciate that. Thank you. So is there just us on this?
Huh?
Just us?
Yeah, daytime it happens a lot. Like you'll get it to yourself, like because we're not. Most people, the day's better, but most people they think that the best time would be at nighttime.
Yeah.
But at nighttime you'd be on here with like 25 people, so it's way different.
Well, look, we only did it because it's her birthday today.
Yeah.
But she gets drunk off one drink. So,
Alright.
so what we said was, look, we'll do it anyway. I'm the drinker. She'll have one or two, and we've got the full thing to ourselves. And we can't wait for the views. I'll have a vodka lemonade, please. Vodka lemonades.
Perfect.
Tito's, a nice vodka as well. Perfect, mate.
Have you ever rode this before?
Never. We've done the one in London, but not this one.
Where are y'all in town from?
Middlesbrough, North East England. So near Newcastle.
Awesome.
North.
Welcome.
What about yourself?
Well, I'm from the state of Ohio, but I've lived here 17 years.
All right.
But yeah. But I'm about done. I want to move somewhere else. I'm moving to Nashville next year.
Oh, nice.
Yeah, Tennessee. Have you all been to the States before?
Yeah, I've been quite a few times. We've been to Vegas 2 years ago on our honeymoon.
Okay.
But I used to come here quite often with my dad to Vegas for a nice little gamble, bit of a drink. But yeah, we went to San Francisco this week.
Okay.
And we love San Francisco.
It is
Really nice, really nice.
I'm Kevin.
Kevin said, don't be shy. He said, don't be shy. Whoa,
Yeah.
that's echoey through. Don't be shy.
And then at the very top, I'll get some great photos of y'all together with the strip behind you and stuff.
Appreciate it, mate.
No problem.
Appreciate it. Oh, Rochelle, drink up. We've got 30 minutes on here. It's your birthday. Look at that view, the Sphere. Have you done the Sphere?
Yes, I've been in it one time.
Any good?
Postcards from Earth. The experience is unbelievable. Like the visuals are one first of its kind. And if you ever went in, it's meant to go for a concert. If you ever go to a concert in there, it'll ruin concerts for you because you'll never see anything like that again.
Well, I'd love the UFC to be back there, and I'd do anything to get tickets for it. So,
Yeah.
so everyone on this video, don't forget to subscribe. Dad Loves Food on YouTube. We're now going up past the Link Hotel. I'm going to show you what the whole of Vegas looks like on a 360 view on this video whilst getting steaming. So we've visited many countries, many places, many cities, but for me the number one in the world is Vegas. Always number one. I think it's got, and everyone associates Vegas with gambling, but even for families it's got so much here. It's mainly for adults, you know, it's perfect for us, but it's got so much in terms of entertainment,
There's
food.
something for everybody.
Exactly,
And
mate,
anyone.
exactly.
And I can't tell you how many people come here all alone.
Yeah,
Like,
yeah.
they'll come here by themselves.
I would
because
definitely come
you will
alone.
You will be entertained. You can entertain yourself in Vegas by yourself.
So because we stayed at the link, we got a choice when you signed up to Caesars Rewards, whether you took $10 on the slots, $20 a food complimentary voucher, or you could take tickets for the link. And straight away, me and Michelle were like, tickets for the link, we will have them straight away. So if you're a first timer at Vegas and you sign up to Caesars Rewards, get the tickets to the link. I promise you, you won't be disappointed. Kevin, what's this part over here? You see all the greenery? All the grass and the trees?
Yeah, that's a golf course. It's the Wynn
Is
golf
it?
course, yes. You can play it, but you gotta stay at the Wynn, and it costs anywhere from $600 to $700.
Jesus. That's where the real high rollers go.
Yeah. Steve, when he keeps it, he keeps it pretty big.
So this fee is quite new, within the last 5 years, I think.
2 years, actually.
2 years?
Yeah, it's only been open for 2 years. This past July was 2 years.
Hey, honestly, you're like a tour guide here. Thank you very much, mate.
You know what? It helps us because people that have rode this before come back and ride it again just to see the Sphere at night usually. But yeah, that Sphere, like everyone that goes to a show there also ride the wheel too. So it's like a double thing.
We were gonna get, the only thing I think we haven't done on this trip is the helicopter ride. We've never done the helicopter ride, but honestly, I can't see how that would beat this. I think the views here are the best views. They definitely beat the Stratosphere. I think they're the best views they're the best views I've ever seen of Vegas. In the words of my dad, let's not forget, we scattered his ashes at the Bellagio fountain, we scattered his ashes at the Vegas sign, exactly what my dad wanted, because he was great in Vegas, he loved Las Vegas, and I'm sure he'd have loved this trip with us now and seeing the incredible views that we're seeing, because Vegas isn't just about gambling, it's entertainment, it's the full lifestyle, it's the ambience, it's the atmosphere, it's the shows you can go to, it's for me, I'm a big foodie, it's the buffets, it's the burger places. Vegas has everything, and that's why for me, it is #1 holiday destination, tourist destination. I would live here if I had a choice. I would live in Vegas, and that's why it's #1. Now, lots of people who I speak to say, Craig, have you been to Dubai? I've been to Dubai, and Vegas is still #1. We're at the top.
We're at the very top right
Michelle, do you want to get some photos?
now. I got you. Do you want to take a shot at the top? Here, I made
Do you want a shot?
This is called a gummy bear.
Gummy bear shot, Michelle.
It's a shooter, so it should go down easy. And you mentioned this, so I made it with the raspberry vodka.
Thank you very much, mate. Go on, Michelle, get your birthday shot in.
Birthday!
Oh, it's going to finish me off.
Right, let's do it.
Thanks,
Birthday
Ben.
shot for Rochelle. Happy birthday. Thank you very much, Kevin. Chin chin, everyone.
I'm getting full.
Oh, beautiful, that mate. I'll have another one, please.
Absolutely, I mean it.
This video has been going for 25 minutes just on the high roller at the link. You can see the Sphere there advertising the Wizard of Oz. You can see the F1 track and the stands. You can see Hilton Hotel right there. Then you've got Paris Hotel. You can see other things in the background, Cosmopolitan, Flamingo, Venetian, Harrah's, the Link, all here from the high rollers wheel. So yeah, we've loved it. You know what, if we didn't get the tickets complimentary for staying at the Link, we would have bought them anyway. We upgraded $25 because it's Rochelle's birthday.
Cheers.
And when we have this drink, that's probably like the 3rd or 4th drink, and we'll have one before we leave as well, so it's well worth the money. It's informative, listen to the TVs. It's informative with Kevin, who's on the bar as well. Not just Kevin, you've got some other guys as well on the other ones. So listen, everyone's going to be informative. They'll tell you a bit about Vegas. For me, it's been really, really good to listen to what he's had to say, and I'll see you all on the next video. Or if you're still on YouTube, keep watching. So, not just because of the free bar, the complimentary bar when you pay $25. The bartender's been absolutely amazing, telling us different things about Vegas as well. We are coming to the end of our stop on the high roller. We're gonna get one more drink here. I'm gonna knock it back and then we're gonna get off the high roller, and definitely worth your $25. Make sure that you tip your barman on the high roller. Cheers everyone. If you think you're gonna fall, just push me. Thank you for visiting. That was absolutely class. The views was one of the best, probably the best views I've ever had in Vegas, even better than the Stratosphere. And definitely worth getting on the high roller wheel. All right, Michelle, having a good birthday, yeah?
Yeah, good birthday.
Yeah, good birthday, yeah.
Yeah, good birthday.
Yeah, good birthday. So the high roller there, we've just been on, and honestly, once you've got all you just fell through that again. Once you've got the all you can drink, all inclusive for 30 minutes, that is an intense 30 minutes. Like, shot mate, shot. It's like, this is a jelly shot. Sound Kevin will have 10 of them. Bosh. Drinks, premium vodka, premium whiskey. Unbelievable. For $25 extra. Kevin, lads, I am all over that.